Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nokia X30 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll to find the wallpaper and style. Now let's tap on Change Wallpaper, and as you can see here we've got some albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. So we can choose it from My Photos, which is of course your own gallery, so you can set the photo as a wallpaper. Here we've got some albums also on the Vallis wallpapers, and here we've got the defaultly installed ones, and be aware that you will be able to see those albums only if you will have the internet connection. So basically let me enter, for example, this one and if you'd like to check the preview of the wallpaper, simply tap on it. And as you can see, here you've got the preview. You can see how it will look like on the home screen and here on the lock screen. And basically you can change the position of the wallpaper, which is also quite nice. So if you want to set this wallpaper, just tap on the stick icon. And now you can decide where you want to set it. So you can set it as a home screen, lock screen, or both. And I will pick both options, so let me tap on it. And as you can see, we just immediately and automatically got back to the home page, and we can check that the wallpaper has been applied successfully. So basically that's all. This is how to change the wallpaper in your Nokia X30. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.